Hi everyone, I'm Sherry Jones and I'm gonna show you how to thread into a sewing machine. So, I have a Expressive 860 machine, and before you start, there's a power button beside. You have to press this into a sewing machine. Close that. So, before you're gonna do, normally I'm using this embroidery foot for a embroidery machine. And before you change this, I'm gonna change this. I call it a zigzag foot A. So this is for sewing machine, and I'm gonna change this to like that. And before you're gonna do, you have to check your bobbin thread, because this is very important before you start. So I still have a bobbin here, so I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna lock it just like that. And you have to press this button, second button, into a switch sewing machine mode. So you can pick which one you need. So I'm gonna try this one, number 2. And before you start, you have to put this down and press it start. And if you wanna stop, you just please press stop, and there's a scissor here, and you're gonna press this to lock it, so your thread will be locked. So to lock it up, press this, and here this is what I did. So it's very simple and easy. And if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will reply you immediately. Bye bye.